Yan pagalitin mo. Para umirap siya.
The cows must be too far away to hear you. Gosh,
Eh.
why don't we check our mouths too? Maybe one.
Sasabihin mo, bless you.
Cows. Everybody say, oh toodles! Oh toodles! A blanket, a bullhorn, a piggy bank, or a mystery mouse tool. What can we use to help us call the cows?
Ba't ka ba tumatabi sa akin?
A bullhorn!
Ay, simbok mo.
We
Wow.
got ears, say cheers!
Oh, dance na. Pakita mo na yung dance mo kay daddy. Sabi mo kay daddy, hello.
Do the trick.